Hello, this is Z&J Bays, aka Bays Page, and we're doing some research on Windup, a Skylander in Swapforce. So we're going to go to upgrades. I know you can't see the TV, but
hello, Skylander friend. Are you ready to achieve physical perfection to rival my own?
okay. So we have the basic move. Press C rapidly to fill the wind-up meter. When full, press C again to overquake. During overquake, press B to cause a large explosion that damages nearby enemies. So that's one of the basic moves. Press C to wind up, dealing increasing damage and pulling enemies in. I think that is one of the basic moves too. Then this is where you have to buy it. Press C to shoot a spring shot that launches enemies into the air. Attacking launches enemies will deal automatic critical damage. So that's just basically shooting a spring. And then press B to deal increasing punch damage. It's just like sparks of punching. Okay, so now we choose the top path or the bottom path. We wanna hop in the topper path. So hold B to charge a Christ ball. Something word attack release to attack all enemies in the way with a pair of the same word. Oh, crystals. Wait. Same word attacks to increase damage. Any easy way to crash any party. Then hold C to shoot rapidly. Fire suction cups projectiles at enemies. Okay, so the last upgrade, which we already got the thing to get it. Speed is increased. Automatically wind up while running. So that's cool. You just run and then you wind up. So that's all his upgrades. And then basically, yeah, when you don't press C, you go really slow. And it goes slower, slower, slower. And then when you press C a bunch of times, you go way faster. So that's basically it for this video. And we are going to do a series of this. The next one I'm thinking it's going to be someone else. Like, I don't know, someone from the Spyros maybe. But I'll still play on this. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon. Bye! Oh my gosh. Oh.